All right. Good afternoon, Mr. Howard. Where did you grow up, Mr. Howard?
Fifth.
45th?
Yes, sir.
And what side of town is that on?
North side.
And how old are you?
23.
All right. Did you go to Rains High School?
No, sir.
Have you ever been to Rains High School?
Yes, sir.
And when you say yes, you mean not like actually enrolled there, but you've been there for maybe an event?
Yes, sir.
All right. And what events have you been to Rains High School for?
Basketball games, football games.
All right. Do you know what years?
Several years. 2018, 17, 16, etc.
Do you or are you familiar with Alicia Andrews?
Yes, sir.
All right. You know her from this case, or you know her from before?
A little before.
You were familiar with Alicia Andrews because you'd seen her around?
Yes, sir.
All right. But you didn't have any personal relationship with her?
No, sir.
How did you see Alicia Andrews around?
Social media.
So you saw her page on social media?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember if you followed her?
I don't remember.
All right. And when you say you saw Alicia Andrews on social media, was this in like the 2018, 2019 time period?
Yes, sir.
All right. Something. Well, let me go back. Have you heard of something called 6 Block?
Yes, sir.
All right. In your view, is 6 Block a gang?
No, sir.
What is 6 Block?
Apartment complex.
And so it's not a neighborhood necessarily?
No, it's just apartments.
All right. And where is that at? What side of town is that at in Jacksonville?
North side.
All right. So did you grow up in that apartment complex?
No, sir.
Are you affiliated with 6 Block in any way?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tell me about your affiliations with 6 Block. What do you mean when you say you're affiliated?
Well, those apartments are in my neighborhood, so we're friends. I'm friends with people that's from those apartments.
Okay. So you lived in a neighborhood around the 6 Block apartment complex?
Yes, sir.
And the neighborhood that you lived in, what was that called?
Avenue B. Avenue B.
Okay. Did you grow up with Charles Jones?
Yes, sir.
How long did you know Charles Jones for?
Almost all my life.
Do you know how old?
Like 8 or 9.
All right. Did Charles Jones live at the apartment complex called 6 Block?
I'm not sure.
Did he live in your neighborhood on the north side?
I'm not sure. Can't say.
Did you all go to school together?
No, sir.
Okay. But you knew him.
Yes, sir.
Were you two best friends?
We were really, really close. Almost like my best friend, you can say.
Okay. Did you have a best friend?
Yes, sir.
Who was your best friend?
Adrian Gaynor.
Is he affiliated with 6 Block in any way?
Yes, sir.
And what's his name? If he has another name.
Bibi.
All right. And you said you would not call 6 Block a gang. What would you refer to it as?
Apartments.
Do you refer to, okay, when individuals refer to 6 Block as a group, do you identify 6 Block as a group of individuals?
I don't, but the world do.
Okay. And why do you not identify it as a group of individuals?
Because I know it's an apartment complex. It's a nickname given by Charles.
Okay. these gangs in Jacksonville, there are gangs in Jacksonville?
Probably so, but not to my knowledge. I can't call out gangs.
Okay. Are there groups in Jacksonville?
Yes, sir.
People that are sort of affiliated with each other?
Yes, sir.
Is it like sort of based on where they grow up?
You can say.
All right. Is there a better way to describe it?
Basically, kind of what you said, based off where you grew up at, what side of town.
Okay. And being either a part of 6 Block or affiliated with it, does that mean that you are necessarily involved in criminal activity?
No, sir.
Do you have law-abiding citizens affiliated with 6 Block?
Yes, sir.
You know of an individual named Gino Norris?
Yes, sir.
He was with you on the night of Charles Jones's murder?
Yes, sir.
And Gino Norris, is he affiliated with 6 Block?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is he related to Charles? Was he related to Charles Jones?
Not that I know of.
Were he and Charles Jones close friends?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Gino Norris was shot on the night that Charles Jones passed away?
I think so.
Is Gino Norris a gangster?
No, sir.
Is anything close to a gangster?
No, sir.
And why do you say that?
He's a human being.
Fair answer. But is Gino Norris involved in any of the rap music back and forth?
No, sir.
Is Gino Norris known to have committed any criminal acts?
No, sir.
You, in 2018, you were arrested. Is that accurate?
Correct.
All right. And the arrest from 2018 was for what?
Manslaughter.
That event, I'm not saying you did or didn't do anything. That event occurred where?
Rains High School.
All right. Was that during a football game?
Correct.
Was there another individual that was accused of the same manslaughter?
No, sir.
Was Bibi accused or involved in any way?
Yeah, they was accusing us both. Yes, sir.
So there were accusations that both you and Bibi had shot and killed someone?
Yes, sir.
All right. The person that died in 2018 at Rains High School, what was their name?
Gerard Adams.
Did he have any sort of nicknames?
Yes, sir.
What was his nickname?
Spaz.
All right. Did you know Spaz personally?
No, sir.
Do you know if Spaz was involved in any gangs?
No, sir. Not to my prior knowledge. No, sir.
Do you know if he's in any groups?
Yes, sir.
What group is he in?
After a while, I seen that he was hanging with guys from 1200 at the east side of Jacksonville.
All right. Ultimately, you ended up going to prison for that?
Yes, sir.
You were released at some point?
Yes, sir.
You know what year you were released?
2023.
Do you know what month you were released?
May.
All right. Were you released like out, to go back home, or any sort of halfway house or anything like that?
Objection, relevance, Your Honor. Overruled. Go ahead.
Can you repeat your question?
Yeah. Were you released straight to go straight home?
Yes, sir.
All right. When you were released, did you and Charles Jones connect?
Yes, sir.
All right. And were you two hanging out maybe like you had done in the past?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of who Davion and Rashad Murphy are?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of whether Davion and Rashad Murphy knew Spaz Gerard Adams?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are you aware that Davion and Rashad Murphy were related to Spaz Gerard Adams?
Yes, sir.
And did you ever have any idea that Davion Murphy or Rashad Murphy were either angry at you or trying to seek revenge for what they believe you may have done to Spaz?
I heard rumors.
All right. Because you're in 6 block, does that mean you hate other neighborhoods?
No, sir.
Does that mean you hate other groups?
No, sir.
Does that mean you hate, whether somebody calls it a gang or doesn't, does that mean you hate gangs that are in Jacksonville?
No, sir.
All right. Are the lines between these different groups or gangs, are they as clear as people make them seem?
Can you repeat it and
Yeah.
explain more?
So, 6 block and ATK are what they would call rivals
To the world, yes, sir.
to the world. Is there a chance that maybe some ATK affiliates or members might talk to 6 block affiliates or members?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that against the culture or anything like that?
All human beings. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Do you all sometimes grow up together and end up in different groups?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you went to school with individuals and were friends with them, and they ended up
Objection, we
in
overruled, go ahead.
what the world would call a rival gang.
Can you repeat your question?
Right. So, were you ever friends with people, let's say growing up, middle school, elementary, middle school, high school,
Yes, sir.
and they end up in a different gang or group of individuals?
Yes, sir.
Right. Does that mean that you automatically hate those people?
No, sir.
A lot of this back and forth, the rap music, was it put out to get views on YouTube or social media, the rap music?
Can you repeat your question?
Was a lot of the rap music, the drill rap music, was it put out to get views on YouTube and on social media?
Yes, sir.
Is all of it even true?
No, sir.
You know an individual named Isaiah Chance?
Yes, sir.
What is his, I guess his name, his nickname?
Gutta Z.
All right. When did you come to know Gutta Z?
When I came home in 2023.
How did you meet or come to know Gutta Z?
Social media.
So you saw him on social media?
Yes, sir.
And did one of you reach out to the other?
Yes, sir.
Who reached out to who?
I can't really recall. I think it was him, but I can't recall.
All right. Let me ask you this first. Did you and Isaiah Chance exchange phone numbers or ways to contact each other?
Yes, sir.
All right. And did you all contact each other at points in time?
Yes, sir.
Did you all used to talk on the phone?
Yes, sir.
Even on FaceTime as well?
Yes, sir.
And those conversations, sometimes they lasted hours.
Yes, sir.
And you all would just talk about random things.
Yes, sir.
Was it necessarily anything to do with the 6 block, ATK, 1200 gang stuff?
No, sir.
The phone number that Isaiah Chance would contact you on, do you know if that phone number belonged to him?
No, sir. I don't. No, sir.
Did you ever have any indication that the number belonged to Alicia Andrews?
Yes, sir.
And Isaiah Chance would contact you on that phone number, the same one, every time?
No, sir.
Different number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your relationship with Isaiah Chance, would you call it cordial?
Cordial, yes, sir.
You and him ever get into any issues?
No, sir.
All right. At any point in time, did you ever have any communication with Alicia Andrews?
No, sir.
Did you ever reach out to Alicia Andrews for anything?
No, sir.
Have you ever seen her in person?
I think I recall a long time ago, early 2018, 17.
Okay. Do you know if that was at Reigns?
Most likely, yes, sir.
Okay. Like at a football game or basketball game or something like that?
Yes, sir.
All right. How do you remember her from so far back?
Seeing her around, she was kind of a little known, so, you know.
All right. Because of the way she looks?
Yes, sir.
All right. And when I say that, what do you mean by that? Or we both say that, what do you mean by that?
Objection, relevance? Overall, go ahead.
Well, just, she was a pretty girl, but that's about it. Just like
Okay.
that.
Did you have any friends that wanted to talk to Alicia Andrews?
Not that I remember, no, sir.
I want to go to the trip that happened in June of 2024 from Jacksonville to Tampa. Did you go on a trip with Charles Jones from Jacksonville to Tampa?
Yes, sir.
All right, and this was in June of 2024?
Yes, sir.
During this trip that you went on with Charles Jones, who went with you?
Me, Charles, and Gino Norris.
Okay. Just the three of you?
That was in the car, yes, sir.
All right. And you all drove down in the Charger?
Yes, sir.
The individuals, did you go to an Airbnb when you arrived in Tampa?
Yes, sir.
And were there other individuals that joined you all at the Airbnb?
Yes, sir.
All right. Where did those individuals come from?
Jacksonville as well.
All right. So, how did they know to get to the Airbnb?
I think Julio gave them those guys the address, most likely.
At some point that weekend, was there a pool party?
Supposed to be one, yes, sir.
What do you mean supposed to be?
It was supposed to be a pool party, but a lot of people didn't show up, so I guess it was like a little small gathering, not an actual pool party.
Okay. You said not a lot of people showed up?
The first day we got there.
All right. And was it publicly broadcasted, this pool party?
The first day we got there, no, I don't think so.
All right. Was there a second pool party?
The same. It was people there the second day. We had an Airbnb, so you can say.
All right. And how did people know to come? Were people allowed to come if they just asked to be there?
I think Julio reached out to people.
All right. Were you driving the Charger at any point in time?
Yes, sir.
When were you driving the Charger?
To Tampa.
So you drove from Jacksonville down to Tampa?
Yes, sir.
Did you go out to any clubs?
Yes, sir.
Did you go out to clubs on both nights that you were in Tampa?
Yes, sir.
I want to talk about the Saturday night. Do you remember that night?
Yes, sir.
All right. Were you on a flyer?
Yes, sir.
And Had you ever been on a flyer before for a party?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you ever gone out of town to Tampa before?
Yes, sir.
With Charles Jones?
Yes, sir.
For the same sort of thing or something different?
Same sorts of thing.
You know a promoter or something in Tampa?
Yes, sir.
So you are at the Airbnb at some point on Saturday. Do you leave to go to a club?
Yes, sir.
Which club do you go to?
I don't know. I don't recall the name of the club, but I went to a club.
All right. Do you recall the area that it was in?
No, sir. I don't know Tampa like that. No, sir.
Were you driving?
No, sir.
All right. Were you paying attention to where you were going?
Yes, sir.
Why?
I think as a young man or anybody, you should always pay attention to your surroundings.
Okay. Did you have any fears or caution about hanging out with Charles Jones?
No, sir.
At any point in the night, did you ever get upset with him about posting his locations?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because we're both two known individuals. You know, we got people that love us, people who hate us. So.
Okay. And I guess would you prefer that your locations be anonymous?
Yes, sir.
Why do people hate you all? Not to say that everyone does, but why are there people that have that feeling?
Jasmine was built with drill rap. Foolio's a drill rapper. So.
All right. The club that you went to first, do you remember what it looked like?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you arrived at the club. Did you go inside?
Yes, sir.
And why did you leave?
So why did we leave?
Yeah. At some point, so let me back up. Did you leave the club at some point?
Yes, sir.
Why?
The show was over. It was closed. I think it was ending.
Okay. And where did you go after that?
Went to another club.
All right. Do you remember the name of that second club?
No, sir.
All right. You left the second club at some point in time. Is that accurate?
Yes, sir.
And why did you leave the second spot?
It was getting late. We were getting tired.
And where were you going after you left the second spot?
To find a hotel to crash.
After you, did you get to the hotel at some point?
Yes, sir.
All right. When you got to the hotel, who all was there?
Me, Charles Jones, Gino, Charles' girlfriend at the time, a friend of hers, several friends.
All right. When you got to the hotel, did something happen?
Yes, sir.
What happened at the hotel?
A shooting.
All right. Did you see any of the people who did the shooting?
No, sir.
All right. And did you later come to find out that two of the people arrested for the shooting were Davion Murphy and Rashad Murphy?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did either of them contact you after the murder?
Just one.
Which one?
Rashad Murphy.
Rashad Murphy contacted you how?
He texted me.
How did he have your number?
Had conversations.
You've spoken to him before?
Yes, sir.
Like friendly conversations?
Yes, sir.
When Rashad Murphy texted you, did it have anything to do with Foolio's death?
He said he forgives me. So
Forgives you for what?
that's what I was trying to figure out.
So you don't know.
She said he forgive me.
Did you respond?
I don't recall responding.
And was there ever any conversation between you and Rashad Murphy about Spaz in the past?
Yes, sir.
Were any of these conversations about whether you had done anything to Spaz?
Yes, sir.
And those conversations you're saying were friendly?
Yes, sir.
Does 6th Block have a hand sign?
Yes, sir.
All right. That hand sign, or let me ask you this: is there a hand sign for 21st Street?
Yes, sir.
Is there one for 1200?
Yes, sir.
Are the signs for 1200 and 21st, are they the same?
I don't think so. No, sir.
And what about the signs for 6th Block? Is it the same as 1200 and 21st?
No, sir.
The sign for 6th Block, can you describe what it is?
It's like 3 fingers holding up. It's like a 6 almost. Like
So something like this?
yes, sir.
All right. And if an individual uses that hand sign, does that mean that they're part of 6th Block?
No, sir.
Do sometimes people use those hand signs when they're not actually a part of 6th Block?
Yes, sir.
I'm showing you what's in evidence as State's Exhibit 95C. 2. Is this the flyer from the party at Teasers?
Yes, sir.
The hand signs that Charles Jones is using, are those 6th Block hand signs?
No, sir.
What hand signs are those?
I don't even know. He just posing.
Did he pose like that often?
Yes, sir.
With those same hand signs?
Yes, sir.
All right. Does that mean 2100 or 21st?
No, sir.
Does it mean 1200?
It could be several meanings.
Okay. Would Charles Jones, coming from 6th Block, would he ever be throwing up these hand signs for 1200 and 21st?
No, sir.
All right. So that to you does not mean 1200 or 21st.
No, sir.
All right. 1200 and 21st. Those are east side. That's east side of Jacksonville.
Yes, sir.
And Charles Jones is not from the east side.
No, sir.
If you see an individual with those hand signs that you saw Mr. Jones with just now,
Yes, sir.
does that mean that they're gang affiliated?
No, sir.
All right. I don't have any other questions.